You know what? This is what I'm pretty good at. Doing this on my head. There we go. Alright, it's not that funny. And you really are really good at keeping your peace there. Oh, yes, I am. Used to do that when I was, when I was a teenager. I see. You know what, mate? I think you're a bit very exhausted, for this. Yeah, I think might be, cause, a drink of Sprite. Well, probably, there was, none left. Oh, come on. But that's San Pellegrino if you want. Oh, let me have him! Oh. Alright, he's gone for that. So, guys, we got a very, very, very hard obstacle for you guys. Are you guys up for it? Sir, yes, sir. Do you have any idea what might see? Sir, no, sir. Do you have any idea where that could be? Sir, no, sir. What about you? Do you have any idea for that? Sir, no, sir. Well, will you please get off the phone for this? Sir, can't handle it, sir. Oh, very well. Just been busy for that because didn't stick together for that. Well, the plushes for that. Well, not plushes, the army figures for that. Anyways, are you ready to go for it? Sir, yes, sir. Here we go. I don't know what I've been told. I don't know what I've been told. What am I doing here in Honeyland? What am I doing here in Honeyland? Well, we've been a bit quiet recently. Well, why? Because no comments. Well, I don't know for that either. You know, Simba and Nala went out somewhere. Well, yes, where? They're going out to eat a bit of a Chinese. Okay, Chinese is good for that. Yeah, I prefer an Italian one. Yeah, Indian. Okay, I could be have Indian for that. Oh, hey up, you guys. Oh, hey, Mufasa. How you doing, mate? I'm alright, thanks. What are you just doing? Well, I don't know. We're just chilling out for that. Okay. Winnie, Pooh and Bulgy are coming a bit. Oh, are they? Coolio. So, I'm guessing that Simba and Nala are finding somewhere Chinese. Yes, you got it right down there. Yep, no, I don't want, ended up in Planet Cook. Planet Cook? What's that? It's a children's cookery show, which is on CBBC, and then it later aired on Channel 4, where Captain Cook presents it with Yeti, who's played by Dave Benson Phillips for that. Ah, do you know what? What? Dave is my middle name. Well, very funny, Mufasa. I don't think Dave is your middle name for that. Alright, I'm joking. Hey, guys. Oh, hey, Winnie, Pooh and Bulgy. You're back already. How are you guys doing? We're doing alright for that. We just been out together for that, aren't we, Bulgy? Yes, but I got on the move for a few minutes to get the passengers way to go. Oh yeah, you got that one there. So you'll be staying for us for for a little bit, aren't you, Bulgy? Yeah, I will. Who is King Koopa? Well, King Koopa is an arch enemy of Mario, but it does look like Bowser for that. But It has like another name called Bowser for that. It's just like a different color for that. That's green for King Koopa. Yes, it is. But he's in Mushroom Kingdom for that. But that's what it was. Ah, okay. Right, guys, I better go right now. Important work to do. Right. See you later. Huh? That's a bit funny. Let me do it again. Is there something wrong there, Bulgy? Well, it just couldn't go. Look. Oh, you're right. There's something wrong with that engine there. Do you know what it is, Winnie the Pooh? I haven't got a clue for that. The engine didn't go for that. I wonder if someone can help you for that. If he's smaller for that, then it must be like Narky? No, not Narky. It's just a bit big for that. Oh yeah. Oh, Minibus. I get it, Minibus. He always works with the small projects for there, like this one there. Of course. Who's that whizzing across the sky? And who is strong to save us all? They're brave and they're true and they're so far to you, Mr. Incredible and Buzz Lightyear. Have you called me? Oh, hey, Mini Buzz. I'm glad you're here. Bulgy's having a bit of engine problems down there. Really? Can I hear it? Yeah. I see. I do have a bit of an engine problems down there. But, don't worry, I will help you for that. Well, I'll do this. Well, I will say, let's do it. He's super, he's duper, he's really is a trooper, Mini Buzz Lightyear. Okay, Bulgy, I think I know what's going on there. The oil is empty. Wait, the oil is empty, you say? Yes, that's what it was there when you ran out of it. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh well, I'll take you to the petrol station for that to get you fixed. Oh, that is great. Come on then, I'll get you for this. Right, we'll see you in a little bit, you guys. It won't take long. All right, here we are, to infinity and beyond. Right, off they go. How come there's a flying bus around here, up in the sky? Well, it's not actually like a flying bus there, Red M&M guy. It's just Bulgy and Mini Buzz flying around here because Bulgy has this engine problem. Oh, I see. So that's just what it's called, like Bulgy the flying bus. Well, it's not a flying bus there, you know. Oh, duh! I know that the engine has a bit of a problem down there, but how long is it gonna be fixed? A little while, because the oil has a bit of a empty for that. I see. 20 minutes later, the other superheroes helped him. No, I don't think so for that. They just went to their station for that. But for Buzz and Mr. Incredible, well, Bob is his first name for that. Hey, you know what? Bob is my middle name. Will you stop messing around, Mufasa? Sorry. Hey, I'm back. Oh, Bulgy! That was quick. How have you been, Bulgy? Is it fully up? Oh, yes, it is. Ah, brilliant. Show us, then. Okay. Ah, brilliant. Going around, around, around. Well, okay. I didn't mean to do that for that. I was just only saying for that. Oh, yeah. Of course, I knew you would do. Come on, let's go see the others then. All right. Well, so nice to have you back there, Bulgy. Oh, yes. Thanks to Mini Buzz for that. Uh-huh. So, did you not have a fuel cell for the bus? I did not have that, I'm afraid. Well, don't you worry. Someone can build us for the fuel cell to get you fully tanked up there, won't we? Yeah, that might be a good idea. Oh, I am glad you guys are here. Where on earth is the fuel service? What do you mean a fuel service? We don't have any for that in the jungle. Well, I was just using this, but uh-oh. Have you stolen it? Well, I was just only looking at it, and I just took it, and then... Oh, I said that, did I? Well, I think you should there. Right. Here's something what you can do for that there, King Louie. What's that then? I'll take you. Ah! There we are. I have thrown him out. Phew, that's saved for that. Yes, indeed. Do you know something? How about if we can wait outside, outside like in this Chinese place where Simba and Nala had, maybe we could do that as like a takeaway for that, and then Simba and Nala gets a surprise. Oh, that would be like a good idea for that. Maybe I'll have something like noodles or like chicken or rice or something like that. Yes. Yeah. Let's hope like lots of chefs for that to make in it there. Like Martin, for example. Hey, do you know what? Martin is my middle name. Oh, sorry. All right, let's go. Yeah, let's do this then. Hey, Simba and Nala, if you're listening, we're coming. We're going to have takeaway. Yes, it's working for that for the wheels again. Let's have it. Are you coming for that, Russell? Oh, sorry about that. I was just daydreaming for that. Well, you should for that, because we're just about to go now. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. Alrighty.